Welcome to the in front of me Vivo Y76, and I'll show you how to turn off Always On Display feature on this device. So first we should go into the Move with Edge application, and after that click here on the settings section. Then just tap here to the AOD, and now just near the Always On Display, click here once on the switcher, and you can see that all of the options they are blocked, and by this way we can just understand that the AOD feature is turned off. And now when we'll block the device, you can see also that the AOD is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.